Hi guys, I'm Niko, head roaster from Kilbeggan Coffee. And you know what? There's nothing nicer than an Irish coffee in this part of the year. So today we are here at the Kilbeggan Distillery and I'm going to show you how to make a perfect Irish coffee at home. We're going to use this lovely whiskey. It's a blended whiskey of malted barley and grain. And we're going to use the blend of our coffee, which we created specially for the Kilbeggan. It's a blend of Central American coffees. Today we're going to grind our coffee fresh, but if you have already pre-grounded coffee at your home, it's the same rules apply. 60 grams of coffee per 1 liter of water. So the good rule to follow is preheat your French press. Also, preheat your glasses as well. You don't want to serve at your home someone an Irish coffee which is actually cold. I'm going to add my coffee into the French press. Add water on top. Give it a nice mix. Now, if you're using French press, do not press immediately, okay? So leave your coffee to sit for 2 to 2.5 minutes before it's ready to serve. We can use this time to start preparing the other ingredients for Irish coffee. So take your preheated glass, 2 teaspoons of sugar. For this occasion, we're going to use Kilbeggan blended whiskey. It's a blend of grain and malted barley. We're going to add 30 ml of whiskey to our sugar. At this stage, our coffee is already brewed. We're going to press gently our French press all the way to the bottom. We're going to add the coffee to the whiskey. You just want to make sure that there's no sugar on the bottom. Now the last step, we have to put the cream on the top. Take a teaspoon, turn it the other way around, pour your cream on top of the teaspoon. Garnish with some coffee beans. As they say in Ireland, sláinte.